okay? I'm working on it! Thought I lost you there!
Can't get rid of me that easy! Time for Genki to work his magic! Genki, you there?
Dude, this is nuts!
I know, man. But listen, we need a big water source by Wall Street.
Let me check the grid. Stay safe, dude. You too, Mr. Parker. Will do. Wait, what? No?
Genki knows all. Plus, we were super weird in class earlier.
Knew I never should have taught at a gifted school.
It's working. Just need to keep it up. I can get up close now. Cool if I borrow some sand. Give him today's forecast, Spiderman.
100% chance of rain. Got him right where we want him. Guys, the water tank on the Matheson building should do the trick. We're talking 10,000 gallons here.
Got it. Thanks, Genki.
Should have stayed away, spiders.
Still think we got him right where we want him?
I admit I may have spoken too soon.
And he's definitely getting bigger.
Keep climbing! We're so close! The water tank!
Spider-Man?
I just wanted to live normal, like everyone else.
This isn't the way, Marco.
For a guy like me, there is no other way.
This is getting out of hand. Pete, what happened?
I ended up outside. Just keep going up and I'll meet you at the roof. That water tank's our only shot.
Only way is up. All this destruction from one guy. Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside!
Guess he's busy. Gonna be a long day if we don't get that water tank. Keep it moving, Miles.
It's too late now.
Oh, man! Why couldn't Marco just make sandcastles instead? Ma, everything okay? Almost Pete.
I know. You're on every channel. I'm heading downtown to help coordinate resources and supplies. Is Genki covering for you at school?
He is, but I got this meeting with my counselor later, and the principal thinks that I'm...
I can talk to your principal, but New York needs you right now.
Coolest mom ever.
And please, be careful. Te quiero, mijo.
Like Ma said, can't let New York down. You're only making it worse for yourself, Marco!
I don't care.
Wish I could just write about this for my essay. I'd get into any college I wanted. Or Spiderman would. Right. Brainstorm later, Miles. Focus.
How's it going, Spider-Man?
Almost there.
Water tank's ours!
Actually, it's his now.
Hey, sorry, what'd I miss?
He's trying to eat me!
Let's give him a drink instead!
Did we do it?
Nope.
Pete! Break out the new toys!
The suit's last software patch wasn't stable, but...
The web wings? They're flying!
But we're not out of this yet. Marco's at Pier 4 Beach.
What happens if he gets all that sand?
Pinky just did! Gonna need you ASAP, Miles!
Yeah, I see him all right. I'm right behind you.
Miles? Miles! What did I just get myself into? You gotta calm down, Marco! Innocent people are in danger!
They wouldn't listen to Marco, but they can't ignore Sandman.
Miles!
One and only. Any ideas?
Yeah. Class is back in session. Marco's storm is generating a lot of electricity! What happens to the surface tension of sand if you turn up the voltage?
Bogey right. That's when I shot the mini.
A+. You absorb enough energy. I'll shoot it right at him.
You want me to get hit by lightning?
Can you handle it?
Only one way to find out. Now or never, Spider-Man. Time to move.
Why won't you just give up?
Because we promised to protect this city. good.